Hello dear listeners, it is my next video dedicated for teaching for IELTS speaking part 2 questions. And in this video I'm going to provide a sample answer to one of the questions that appeared in real IELTS test. So the question topic is about communication, and I have to describe a piece of advice I recently received. I have to cover these bullet points given in the list below. So I start off my speech as of now. And if you pay attention closely, you can replicate the same kind of template on your own. So to answer this question, I would like to talk about one occasion when I received, advice from one of my closest friends. It was actually 2 years ago, when I had the need for urgent replacement for one of my PC components inside the motherboard. I was wondering to purchase a new PC part called a GPU, graphics adapter, and I had no idea whom to consult with. And out of nowhere, one of brilliant ideas struck my mind, and I consulted with my one of closest friends, who's Shazad, and who was actually nerd at computing and computer science at that times, and I advised which kind of computer part in terms of graphics drivers I could buy. He told me I could just simply purchase a brand new NVIDIA graphics card, which used to be sold at very high prices at that times, and I couldn't afford. And I asked for more of alternatives, providing the same kind of quality and performance at the same time. And he told me I could go for another corporation called AMD. So I loved the sound of that idea and went for it. And it turned out to be a very great deal for buck without breaking my bank, because I was saving some funds for my future education, which I was pursuing my master's. I was planning to pursue my master's in the next 2 years. So it was really helpful, and I felt the sense of relief at that time, because I couldn't believe that I could buy for $200 a GPU that could run heavy tasks and video editing at the same time. And it was a future-proof video card for the next 5 years, and